What's up, guys? Welcome back. Monster Dog Day. Already drew him, but he has a different position. The one I drew was like hanging with the belts and stuff, and this one's like half body crawling out of a hole or something. So let's try and draw this one. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, hit pause if I go too fast. I can speak. Let's go. Head is tilted, right? So he's got that creepy head tilt. So we'll do the nose in the middle, right? Just to get it sort of centered. And we can get the head tilt in. So it curves over like that. So his head is like this way, in here, diagonal, okay? And then the tip of the nose comes down to a little sort of doggy sort of point here. You can see now the tilt of the head. Big black eyes. So just beside the nose here, this curves around. You can make them furry if you want, just by adding sort of texture to your lines, like a little sort of jaggedy line like that. You can do that if you want, it's optional though. Okay. And then we go around the other side, curving. Around to there. Now that one's a little bit smaller than that one, but that's the way it is anyway in the picture. And then those glowing white eyes, right? And they're not like perfect circles, they're kind of jaggedy. Right? So they don't have to be like perfectly round or anything. And then black sort of bumpy pupils in the middle. And of course it's all colored dark around, but I can do that at the end. So let's see, where was my, yeah, so his mouth, so let's see, so we'll go bumping around right top of the head. It kind of comes down the side here and touches a sort of yellow part of his mouth, right? And it's kind of split down the middle here. And then we go around the other side, chunky sort of hairy line. Okay. And then a big smiling mouth, right? Because he's a smiling critter. Goes up behind his ear somewhere there. And then the bottom of the mouth comes down this way. Big, like looks like a capital letter D sort of. And just sort of disappears behind his ear in there somewhere. And then there's like a yellow color on his top lip, right? That comes along underneath the eyes and comes up over the nose. Down around that way. And then his hairy bottom lip. Now I'm not joining that together because the ear covers it. And it can be a sketchy hairy line as well. You could do a smooth line if you wanted. Like that. And then ears. So one of the ears hangs down and one of them is like up on the top here, right? So it comes out from, say, the top of his head, which is kind of just here. And then the ear. Goes all the way down and then up around here. It's like a little sort of texture area in there. And then the other ear. Kind of joins the head there and then This one sort of just stops here. Like that, I think. So that's like the side of the head. So I think we can see like the other side of the ear, like coming out from here. Okay. Right, so then we got like his body, right? So his body sort of goes down this way, right? And disappears behind a belt a bit down there. You got like his arm here, and the other side of the body can be kind of hairy here, and there's like a belt on his belly there somewhere. We got that sun in there before we do like all the belts and stuff. We get the sun. It's funny because Catnap has the moon. Does this mean they're enemies? Or opposites somehow? Okay. And there's like a zipper just coming down here. And the easiest way to do zipper is like just a zigzag shapes like that. And there's like a yellow hair section here. So that's like yellow color in there. Okay, so then there's like a strap just hanging off here. And there's like a buckle sort of wrapped around it. Like wrapping around the belly. And then disappears under there. It's like more fur and stuff there. And then his arm comes out this way. We get like more straps and stuff up there. But there is stitching on his arm. Like here, kind of Frankenstein-like. Frankenstein sort of stitching there on his arm. And I think we can just see like the other shoulder sort of hanging down there. Sort of his elbow maybe coming out that way. And like top of the arm there. There's all these belts and stuff on his arm here. But we'll just get the main sort of shape for it going that way. Textures and stuff on the fur might be helpful as well. Okay, so all those straps and then the hands. So he's got like a strap coming across here, and it goes behind like a buckle. Like that. And then there's a strap that goes behind his arm. Got some like edge lines because it's like leather. And then another sort of curve line to that leather here. Right, and then belt buckle on this side. maybe another strap here. And then the hand, so we've more stitching, right? And then like a big round sort of hand. So big round sausage fingers kind of. It's all like that's facing towards us, so they're kind of just flat on the table or whatever he's sitting on. Big round finger like that. And then more stitching, so just like black stitches just coming up from his hand, connecting to his arm. Seems to be how his hands are connected. There's like a little dot there, and then on the other side. So this hand is like up, about to like grab us, right? So it's a bit different. So say I'll start with the hand, and then we can add the belts that are in behind. So we got like a round sort of thumb, kind of like that. And then the base of the hand, you got this kind of W sort of bumpy shape. And then the thumb is kind of connected to the next finger up top. And they're kind of like curled over. So and the last one's kind of down a bit. And the side of the hand there. Okay, so then there's a big strap around his wrist, right? There. Another strap here, I think. And then like one more around the wrist, maybe? Or is it just that one? Maybe one more. Hard to make out because they're like all compressed. And then like textures and stuff on his fur. And then of course like all in here is like colored black and all that kind of thing. But he's kind of dirty. He's not super clean. So like little scratches and texture lines like that can help things look a bit dirtier. So that's it, I think. Monster Dog Day. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.